Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. It is so wonderful to be with you again.
It really is. I'm feeling very energetic today, David. How are you doing?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little bit excited because I bought a new newspaper this morning.
A newspaper? Wow, that is very traditional, David. I usually read the news on my phone.
I know. I am a little old-fashioned. I like the feeling of the paper in my hands, and I like to read the news with my coffee.
That sounds very relaxing. And actually, reading the news is perfect for our topic today.
Really? What is our topic today, Sarah?
Today, we are going to talk about how to talk about the news in English.
Ooh, the news. That is a very big topic. Sometimes I think talking about the news in English is difficult.
It can seem difficult, yes. The news has many big words and long sentences.
Exactly. Sometimes I watch the news on TV and they speak so fast, I feel a little lost.
Do not worry, David. That is normal. But today, we have a special secret to make it easy.
A secret? I love secrets. Tell me more.
We are going to learn a simple formula. It helps you understand the news, and it helps you tell stories to your friends.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell my friends about the interesting things I read.
You will. But first, we have a very important request for our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our conversations and want to learn more English, please subscribe to Daily Speak English.
Yes, and please give this episode a like. It really helps us find more students like you.
And share this podcast with your friends. Learning together is always better.
Exactly. Okay, David, are you ready to become a news reporter?
I am ready. Where do we start?
We start with the 5 W's.
The 5 W's? It sounds like a music group.
No, not a band. The 5 W's are 5 questions. They all start with the letter W.
Ah, I see. 5 questions. What is the first W?
The first W is what?
What?
Yes, what happened?
Ah, okay. What happened? That is the most important part, right?
Yes. When you read a news story, you look for the main event. For example, a new park opened.
Okay. A new park opened. That is the what. Simple.
Exactly. Now, the second W is where. That means the place.
Correct. Where did it happen? Was it in New York? In London? In a small village?
Okay. So, a new park opened in the city center.
Perfect. You have the what and the where. Now, the third W is when. That is the time.
Yes. When did it happen? Yesterday? Last week? On Sunday morning?
Okay, so a new park opened in the city center last Saturday.
Look at you! You are building a news story.
It is actually quite easy when you break it down. What is the fourth W?
The fourth W is who? The people.
Yes. Who was involved? Was it the president, a famous football player, or maybe just a regular person?
Or maybe the mayor of the city.
Good example. So the mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday.
Wow, that sounds like a real news report.
It does. And we have one more W. The fifth W is why.
The reason.
Yes. Why did it happen?
Why do we need a new park?
Maybe because children need a place to play.
Excellent. So, put it all together.
Okay. The mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday because children need a place to play.
David, that was perfect.
Thank you. I feel very smart now. I used all 5 W's.
You did, and there is one small extra part. It is not a W, but it is important.
What is it?
It is what it means.
What it means? You mean is it good or bad?
Yes, or how does it help us? For the park, it means families can have fun outside.
I see. So it connects the story to real life.
Exactly. So when you want to talk about news with a friend, you just answer these questions.
This is a great structure. It stops me from getting confused.
Yes, And David, do you know why reading the news is so good for learning English?
Is it because of the vocabulary?
Yes, news covers everything. Sports, weather, business, technology, culture.
That is true. If I read the sports news, I learn words like match, score, and winner.
Exactly. And if you read the weather news, you learn storm, sunny, and temperature.
But Sarah, sometimes the words are very fancy, very formal.
That is true.
That
But
is
here's
a good
the tip. Start
Sometimes
with the headlines.
I just read the headlines to get the
big
general
text
idea.
at the top?
Yes,
That is
the headline
perfectly okay.
usually tells you the
You do not
what
need to understand
very
every
quickly.
single word in the article.
Really? I always try to translate every word. It takes a long time.
Oh, no, David. Do not do that. That is too much work. Just try to find the 5 W's.
Okay. Find the what, where, when, who, and why. Ignore the difficult words.
Yes, for now. Yes. And pictures help too.
Oh, I love pictures. They help me guess the story.
Yes, use the context. If you see a picture of a fire truck, you know the story is about a fire.
Or a cat in a tree.
Yes, actually, that gives me an idea. Let's practice.
Practice. Okay, I am ready. I will give you a funny news headline. You try to tell me the story using the 5 W's.
Okay, challenge accepted. What is the headline?
The headline is, Surfing Dog Wins Big Prize in California.
A surfing dog? Really?
Yes, it is a real story. Now, tell me the news. First, what?
Okay, what happened? A dog surfed on the water.
Good. And where?
The headline said California. So, in California.
Correct. And when?
You can guess. Surfing happens in the day, maybe yesterday afternoon.
Perfect. And who?
Well, the who is the dog. Can I give him a name?
Of course.
Let's call him Max. So, Max the dog.
I love it. And finally, why? Why did Max surf?
To win a prize?
The headline said, wins big prize.
Excellent. So, tell me the full story, Mr. Reporter.
Okay. Yesterday afternoon in California, Max the dog went surfing to win a big prize.
That was amazing. See, you were talking about the news.
That was actually fun.
And I can add what it means.
Yes?
It means that Max is a very good boy.
Yes. It means Max is a talented dog. I really like this method, Sarah. It makes conversation easy.
It does. You can use this for any topic, serious news or funny news.
I think I will start with funny news. It is less stressful.
That is a very good idea. Start with topics you enjoy.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Then read football news. You already know the rules of the game, so the English will be easier to understand.
That makes sense. I have context.
Exactly. And do not be afraid to ask questions.
What do you mean?
If you are talking to a friend, you can say, "Did you hear about the surfing dog?"
Did you hear about? That is a good phrase to start a conversation.
Yes. Or you can say, "I read an interesting story today."
I will write that down.
And if you don't understand a news story, ask your friend, "What happened in California? Who won the game? Why is the mayor angry?"
Yes, use the 5 W's to ask questions too.
This is so helpful. I feel much more confident now.
I'm so happy to hear that, David. The news is for everyone. It connects us.
It does. And now I have a new plan. Tomorrow morning,
Yes?
coffee, my newspaper, and my 5 W's.
That sounds like a wonderful morning routine.
I think so too. Well, David, looking at the clock, I think we are running out of time for today.
Time flies so fast when we were having fun.
It really does. But before we go, we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, we have a little homework for you, but don't worry, it is easy homework. We want you to use the 5 W's. Find a small news story today. It can be about anything, a new movie, a football game, or even the weather, and leave a comment below. Tell us what is the news. Just write 1 or 2 sentences. What happened and where?
We are very excited to read your news reports.
Yes, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next lesson. And share this video with your friends. Maybe you can talk about the news together.
That is a great idea. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you.
Keep practicing, keep reading, and keep talking. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.